Hello there. So I'm gonna show you how to add a brand and track a brand using branded tracker on Luciqo AI. So the first step is log in on your Luciqo AI account. Once you are in and connected, you go and create a new brand. So click on create a new brand. Then you add your brand. So let's say Wayne White Consulting. Then you can add your website and the industry that you work on. So we are on, in this case, is financial director services, but you can add your brand sector, your business sector. If you want to track some competitors, just go and add the competitors you want to track. You can track up to 5 competitors. I'll leave it in blank at the moment, but you can add your competitors if you want. Then you go next and add the location, the country you are, the language you want to track, and the date range that you track your footprint. Then just click on Run Analysis, and it will run the analysis. It will take like up to 5 minutes. And after that, you see your digital footprint. You receive like a full report as well. So I can show you while it's running. I have one already done here. So you can check and see all footprints. You have all citations, reviews, and also your prompts that you want. So to create new prompts, you just come, same procedures, a similar procedure, create new prompts, select the country and the region. Like if you are in London, you just add London. If you are in Yorkshire, you just add Yorkshire. If you want to be more precise in your location, just add the location like Leeds, Manchester, if it's in Liverpool, for example, and the quantity the prompts that you want. You can track up to 100 prompts by brand. So here, for example, you can create 10 prompts, confirm and generate. Then it will generate more 10 prompts. It will take some moment as well. Once you have the prompts, you can add your prompts that you want. Whatever it is that you feel that's more aligned with your audience, just add the prompts, then run the analysis, and it will run the analysis of all your prompts. So that's very simple. You don't need know any code or anything. Just follow clicking the buttons and run the analysis. So it's very simple. If you need any support or anything, just contact us, and we'll be happy to help you.